here today and we're going to do some testing on some Diamond S titanium cans for a 2019 Alpha and a 2019 850 RMK. So what we have going on here is we set a distance up from a decibel reader and a microphone 10 feet away, and we're going to drive each sled by at a constant RPM. We're shooting for 6,500 RPM as we go by, and we're going to record the difference between stock and what the Diamond S can is. Completed day one with the Diamond S tie can for my 850, and I'm really happy with the results. As I showed you earlier, you lose quite a bit of weight by going to their tie can, and you don't increase the noise very much at all. I think that's really important when you're making your selection of what kind of modifications you're using, to not be abrasive with how much noise we make when we're out in the backcountry. So I think Diamond really nailed it with this, and I'm happy to run it the rest of the season.
First day with the Diamond S titanium can on the 19 Alpha Cat. Doesn't seem to be significantly louder, which is really important. Where I ride, we're always fighting to keep riding areas open, so the smaller your footprint, the better that is. I think Diamond S really nailed it with this one.